Hello, this is Chris Menard. Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint with an Office 365 subscription has a new feature. The box that used to say, "Tell me what you want to do," and I feel like it was rarely used, has been replaced with the search box, which is up on my title bar. So if I click in the search box and I type in the word revenue, it'll now also not only find in my document the word revenue, it actually gives me a definition of the word revenue down below. Let's test the find in document. I'm going to point and click. It should jump to cell A4. That's the first cell that has the word revenue in it. And not only did it go there, it pulled up the find and replace box. I can just keep clicking on find next, and it went again. I'm going to hit close. So that's one new feature about the search box. I'm going to now select a range, click in the search box, and I'm going to just simply type in chart. So it'll find in my document the word chart, which I don't actually have, so it'll tell me there's none. I can get help on chart at the very bottom, and that'll take me specifically to the help files. There's a video and there's text instructions, but it'll also actually let me create a chart. So insert column or bar chart. I'm not even clicking, I'm just mousing over these charts, and it's showing me what it's going to do when I do a mouse over. I'm going to click and select that one. So there's a column chart right there. A cool feature, the keyboard Alt-Q will take you to that search box up there. I'm running Office 365 for home. If you are running Office 365 on a business account, this new search box will actually show you people you have shared this file with, coworkers. It'll also show you related files that are related to this file down below. And again, I don't see it because I'm on Office 365 Home, but Office 365 Business, you get more when you click on the search box. So this is a cool new feature. Again, it works in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.